Introduction to number sets, positive and negative numbers and number lines. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What is the definition of a set in general? What is a number set? 2. What are natural numbers? What common feature do they share? 3. What are whole numbers? Where do they differ from natural numbers? 4. What are integers? Do they have a beginning end? 5. What are rational numbers? What is the name we more commonly refer to them as? 6. What are irrational numbers? Do they have anything in common with rational numbers? 7. How do we know whether a given number is rational or irrational? 8. What are real numbers? 9. What is a number line? In what direction do values increase in the number line? Introduction. How do you express the number of people living in your house, your neighborhood, your country? Can you say, there are 4.5 persons living in my house? Why? How do you express the temperature 3 degrees below zero? What about the depth under the sea level? Why? Do numbers have any origin? If yes, which number acts as the origin? In this tutorial, we will discuss number sets and how to express numbers in different situations. In addition, the meaning of negative numbers and how to express them in a number axis will be explained and illustrated with examples. That is all for introduction to number sets, positive and negative numbers and number lines. To continue this topic, please watch 1.2.1, Number Sets. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.